Alrighty guys, hello and welcome. Today, this came in really fast. I bought me the K&N air filter for my Lexus RC over there. I bought it, what was it, yesterday? No, I think it was a couple days ago. It was just a couple days ago. And it shipped pretty fast to my house, so let's open it up. I've really wanted a K&N filter for the car. I can't afford a short ram intake for the time being because it's so expensive for the car. High flow air filter, yes, washable, reusable, designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. I don't know about that. But yeah, let's open it up and let's put it into the car real quick. Oh shit. Hopefully it's the right model, because I made sure about the right model. Oh, anything in here? Nothing. Okay, so what do we get? Stop. Do not discard. Washable, reusable air filter. To use the K&N filter, the use of K&N air filter will not void your vehicle warranty. Okay, cool. Follow us. Hey, decal. Adds horsepower. And a brochure of other things. Register and get exclusive discount. I'll do that later. But first, should be dropping plug in. It's already oiled and stuff, so let's go to the car. Hello, car. Open up the hood. Yes. Let's take this little plastic piece off. I need to buy me new clips because these are coming loose. I'll put you guys over here for now. This thing just flipped upside down for some reason. Okie dokie. Open up the clips of the intake filter box. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lift it up. And take out the old filter. Ew, you're dirty. I should get like a vacuum, just vacuum that up. Dirty filter. Let's see if it fits, if it's the same exact size. Yeah, same exact size. Well, except that this filter right here, this original filter, is more lengthy in a way, if you guys know what I'm talking about. The filter reaches out longer. This one's just a short, so I wanna just go and slap it in there. Open this up. Used my teeth for that. Should I do a before and after video? If there's any sound difference, let me do that. Let's do it before and after video. Let me put this down. Let me put this air filter back in here. Let's do it before and after. See if there's any difference in noise. I highly doubt it, because all this is just a filter that I'm just, you know, replacing. It's quite windy out here. Yeah, let's lift up more hood. So I will do a before and after video. I mean, sound video. See if there's any difference or whatnot. Let's do it inside the cabin. Don't want that. We'll put it in sport mode, of course. I'm not pretty sure if you guys can see that. Okay, sounds pretty smooth. Okay, then let's put on the new filter on. See if that makes any noise. Take this little guy out. Dirty. Put this new guy in here. Ooh, really oily. Ooh, that's really oily. Seat it correctly. Good. Good. Okay. Close that. Close it up. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and see if there's any difference in noise. I'm not complaining if there isn't. That's okay. Sounds a little bit more aggressive. Okay. Sounds a little bit more aggressive. I'm gonna do a little test drive. I'll be right back, guys. Alrighty, I'm back. I'm gonna pull off to a small neighborhood. I got in as Sport Plus right now. The engine does sound a little bit more aggressive since it's sucking a lot of air. Okie dokie. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I like it. Has this little like a whirring noise I never heard before. Not bad at all. This truck right here. What in the world? Oh, it's not that bad. I like it. Just a tad small difference in engine noise. I just gotta see if it improves my fuel economy or whatnot. Bust a U-turn, go back home. I love this car. This car makes great U-turns. Let me see how it does in eco mode. Because normally I've been driving on eco mode. Just give me some, you know, relaxation driving. Not bad. That guy just sat there for no reason. I've owned this car for almost since November, so let's see, December, January, February, March, almost 5 months now. Put it back in sport mode, sport plus, traction control off, hold it, there we go, launch it. Jesus Christ. I like it. I like it. This car needed a new filter anyways. Alrighty guys, that is the end. Hope you guys like it. Good unboxing. K&N air filter, great quality. I trust the brand name for a long time. Finally got a chance to own just a filter. Maybe I'll probably buy the whole intake and everything once I have the money. But unless you guys want to help pitch in, I'll put my PayPal in the description. So comment, like it, say what you guys want to say, and I'll see you guys next time.